Today we will see how to join multiple sales data in one cells and how to join multiple columns data in one column. Okay, so many times we need to do it, so you can do it by two different formulas. So let's start. So first we will see concatenate formulas by which you can join the cells. So this is my table name, city and age, and this is my data. Okay, so to join these columns, you have to go that cell where you want to join all these columns and just put equal to sign and type concatenate formulas name, enter open bracket key and select first cell or first column. Okay, and then press comma key, then select second column or second cell, okay, by arrow key, and then enter bracket key. Again you have to select third column or third cell and close the bracket and press enter key. So now you can see three columns or three cells now joined by that formulas. Now suppose you need to add some space after one cell data or one column data, so you need to edit that formula now. To add a space after one column or cell, you just go after comma and enter double quote and then press space. Again you have to enter double quote symbol, okay, and enter comma key again. Okay, now you have to go second column and after comma you have to again enter double quote symbol, okay, and press space. Then again you have to enter double quote symbol and again you have to enter comma key, okay, and now you have to press enter. So now you can see after one column you will get the space. Just you copy this formula and paste to other cells, okay, so other data also will be joined. Now we have seen the concatenate formula. Okay, now you can do all this thing by AND formula also. Okay, so let's start how to use that AND formula. Equal to sign, okay, and first select you the first cell or first column, okay, and then you have to put AND key and then you have to select second column or second cell. After that you have to again put AND key symbol and then select third column or third cell, okay, and now just you have to press enter key. So now you can see our data has been joined. Okay, so again suppose you need to add space after one column or after one cell, you have to again press F2 key and after AND key of first column you have to enter double quote, enter space, and again you have to press double quote sign and press AND key. Then again after second column enter double quote, give space, again enter double quote and enter AND key. Okay, now you have to press enter key. Now you can see after one column you can see the space there. So now just copy this formula and paste to other cell. Okay, so all data now join in one cell or one column. Okay, so you can try all these two functions. If you have any query, any doubts, you can write in our Gilo B1 comment box. Thank you.